My name is Kayla from Grade VIII. Today, I am here to present a presentation on data science. What is data science? A process of using data to find solutions to predict outcomes from a problem statement. Data science combines math, statistics, and specialized programming. There are several uses of data science. Data science is widely used in a wide range of applications, including predictive analytics, fraud detection, finance, marketing, etc. There are several advantages and disadvantages of data science. Advantages: it gives better decisions to the businessman. It improves products, increases efficiencies. It gives better experience to the customer. Advantages: it's a blurry team and its attribute to get unexpected results and its problem of data privacy. These are advantages and disadvantages for data science. There are several applications of data science. The applications of data science is used in industries. Now, this wide range of entertainment is changed into the education. The applications of data science are manufacturing, e-commerce, transport, and